Hello there, my fellow YouTubers, and welcome to Forex Freak. Um, Thank you for joining us today. It has been a amazing, fantastic week. It has been, phenomenal. I really uh, cannot even believe um, how amazing this program is. And the program I'm talking about is Intelligence Prime Capital. Um, I'm actually trying to go to the subscription section right now, but my Wi-Fi seems to be kind of lagging here or having some issues at the moment, which is perfectly fine because I actually wanted to get more into the compounding or the Forex compound calculator. And this is basically just to show anyone that you can get started with a very minimal amount of funds and start seeing profits the very next day. Of course, the lower amount of funds you start with is going to take a little bit more time to kind of build it up and get you a nice balance there, right? But yeah, guys, I'm super excited. I'm going to show you something here really cool. Definitely check out this site. It's called thecalculatorsite.com. Trust me when I say you're definitely going to want to play around with it here. So I'll try and leave the link in the description box below. But it's thecalculatorsite.com. You could probably find it pretty easily on Google. But but yeah, guys. Again, this week has been amazing. My team is super phenomenal. I really can't thank them, enough from what they've already doing, what they've already done, and what we're going to continue to do here. Hopefully, we definitely hope to get at least 1 million in group volume or group sales volume before. Shoot, I would like to get it before springtime, but at a maximum time before summertime. That's for sure. And I'm pretty positive we can do that because this is an amazing company, an amazing platform. But yeah, guys, check this out. We're gonna go through the Forex compound calculator, and this is just to show you, a rough estimate. This is only with just using the Forex compounding. There's other ways that you can earn with Intelligence Prime Capital. They have a affiliate marketing or referral um, a marketing link there where you can get others to sign up. You sponsor them. They can once they sign up, they can basically kind of repeat the process there, and it's just really amazing. There's like a 30 level check match. We're going to be getting more into that here later on, probably in some other videos, getting more into detail, the percentages and what you can expect to make from the Intelligence Prime Capital Forex AI bot. But yeah, let's get into it here real quick. So this is basically the entry fee. Of course, you're going to pay that $99 fee to get the Genius bot, which I highly recommend. And then you're going to want to start off with that $100 capital. So again, that's $200 at the max to get started, which is, in my opinion, a very low uh, entry fee. Right, but so this is the calculations. Intelligence Prime Capital states that the Forex AI bot can make up to 45%. So from what I've been seeing, I've been getting about 1%, a little over 1% on a daily basis here. So it's been doing amazing, like seriously amazing. But yeah, we're gonna go with a 45% and a 2-year time frame. Now again, this is if you have a start with a smaller budget, and with this strategy, you're going to have a little bit more patience as well. But again, if you have a network, if you know some people, if you know people who might be interested in making more of an income themselves. But with this strategy, this is a strategy where if you like, you can definitely keep your job. whatever else you may be doing to earn income. Say that maybe you're kind of sketchy about what I'm presenting here. Say that you're not too sure. I don't know, who is this Intelligence Prime Capital, who is this Forex freak guy. I need to, I definitely get it. I totally understand. Trust me, I've been there myself before. I've been scammed before. Yeah, been there, done that. But I would have to say this company is legit. And they have a product, a tool that, uh, yeah, that is, I mean, pretty amazing. You really have to use it to see the results. Like, the results speak for themselves, speak for itself. But check it out here, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and go with a 2-year time frame. Of course, you're gonna have to be a little bit patient, right? But say you just want to throw in $100. I'll pay for the bot. Throw in $100. That's it. Let's go ahead and calculate that. Look at this. Future investment value 746,160. Total earnings 746.60. $746,000, guys. Let's go ahead and scroll down here a bit. That's in 2 years. That's with a $100 investment. Say you're sketchy about this whole program, and maybe you're not even sketchy. Maybe you don't have that amount of funds at the moment, which is perfectly fine. Um, I've been there myself before. But there's many different ways, that one can come up with the necessary funds if there's something that they really want to do, right. But take a look at this. I mean, dang, this is crazy. Look at $100. That first month's 45%. $45. Yeah, that might seem that's not that much, right? But let's keep moving forward. After a year, again, that's just with $100. Your earnings each month, $2,680. Okay, that's a that's a decent uh, monthly passive income. I know out here where I'm at, that would definitely pay for a month's rent. You know, some bills, utility bills, your rent. You know what I mean? That's a decent living. But as you start to get into the next year, you'll start to see that all of a sudden things are going to start to change with that monthly passive income. Starts going from 2,000 or from $45 to, excuse me, I think the coffee's trying to come up or something. But to 3K, a little over 3K, almost 4K. That 14th month, after a year and 2 months, you're looking at 5K a month. I mean, come on, guys, this is a no-brainer. You know what I mean? If you're watching this video and you've been kind of debating whether you want to, join us or not, or get started with this program, this should be evident. This should be self-evidence that this is something to get into. And the whole point of the Intelligence Prime Capital platform, and them being basically like a broker and a fintech company, um, their whole objective is to basically keep you as a client, keep you making money basically. Um, they don't want you just to kind of jump in and jump out. I mean, that's kind of like how crypto is in a way. You know what I mean? Uh, you can put in a certain amount of money. There's some of the big wigs who jump in there and jump out, and then everybody fucking loses, right? But no, this is amazing. And look at this. After about what is it, a year and a half? Look at that, 11,000, 17,000. Wait, what's a year and a half? Yeah, okay, right here. So about 24,000. $24,000 passively, almost $25,000 passively, guys. I mean, if you're making that much in a month, I mean, there's no reason to work a job that you dislike anyway. You know, I'm not saying that it's wrong to work a job, but if you don't enjoy working where you work, or maybe you're a creator, maybe there's other things that you want to do, or maybe this this type of passive income can um, help you, get started in doing what you really want to do. Maybe you want to write books. I don't know. Maybe you want to, travel. There's so many different things to do in this life. But as we go down, 2 years goes by, and you can see you've basically your total earnings have hit $746,000, and you would be making about 200,000 over $200,000 a month. Imagine making over $200,000 a month. Just imagine that. Take a second, think about it. The job I was working at, what was it, making about a little over 30,000 in a year. In a year, working what, 40, 160 plus hours a month. That's over thousands of hours a year. This is crazy, but um, yeah, that's just with the $100, guys. So this is for those of you out there who are maybe wondering if you should get in with this or not. You can get in with as little as $100. 200 for the bot as well. But I mean, you can get in with a very small amount of funds, and if you're patient and you continue to, compound what you earn each month, within the next 2 years, you can be sitting pretty nice. I mean, even before 2 years, you can change your life. I mean, this is life-changing type of income, on a monthly basis, weekly, monthly basis, and that's the cool thing about Intelligence Prime Capital as well, is that you don't have to wait a month to withdraw your funds. Like, you can literally withdraw every week. So the cool thing is that there's like two wallets in the Intelligence Prime Capital platform. There's the USDT wallet, and then there's your Capital wallet. So whatever you have in your Capital for that week, that's what the bot is using to trade and, gain you those profits, right? And then after that week is over, it basically takes what you have made in profit and puts it back into your USDT wallet. So on Saturdays and Sundays, I believe you can actually withdraw those funds to your crypto wallet, actually, which is like Kraken, Binance, and Huobi, I think the other one is called. We're gonna make a video about that as well. But yeah, every week. I mean, that's a weekly. You don't have to wait 2 weeks. Most companies, most jobs, people have to wait 2 weeks before they get paid. And a lot of people out there are living, paycheck to paycheck. So definitely think about this. If you're watching this video, think about how this small investment can change your financial situation in the next 2 years. But let's try this. Let's go a little larger. Say you got a little more. Say you got your stimulus check, or you got your what you call it, the taxes, your tax check right back, your tax refund. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, and this is with no additional contributions. Just let's say you got 1,000. Well, I think you'll probably get back a little bit more from your tax refund than that, right? Especially if you have kids too or something. But say you just want to use 1,000 from your tax refund, put it in there, let it sit, keep compounding every week, every month. Let's go ahead and calculate that and see what we get. Do you see that? Do you guys see that? Look at those numbers. How many numbers? That's seven. That's six. That's 7 figures. That is 7 figures, guys. This is in 2 years though, but $7,460,000. That's with a $1,000 initial investment. This would be your capital. This would just be strictly for your capital. This is not for the bot. The bot is a one-time fee of basically $100. Well, let's take a look here. Come on down the line. Look at that, guys. After a year, just keep compounding, every week, every month. You're looking at, look at this, 26,000 passively, monthly. You know how much? Let's divide that by four. What? Every week, so 4 weeks in a month. So this is a little over 6,000 a week after a year with $1,000 investment. And this is again if you're just letting the bot work for you. Like you don't have to put in any work. You don't have to make videos like I'm doing. You don't have to reach out to friends, family, and network or try and recruit people. This is just literally kicking back, doing whatever else you do, and just letting it ride there. This is amazing though, guys. This is amazing, amazing income. This is an amazing opportunity for anyone out there. But I mean, look at this. You would become with $1,000 investment. You will become a millionaire in less than 2 years. And at 2 years, you'll be more than a millionaire. You'll have over a million. Look at that. Can you imagine what it would be like making over $1 million a month? That's crazy, right? It almost sounds too good to be true, but I'll tell you what. There's over $6 trillion traded in the Forex market on a daily basis. So let me say that again. There's over $6 trillion traded on a daily basis in the Forex market. The Forex market is one of the biggest markets in the world, bigger than the stock, bigger than crypto, all that. It's the biggest market. $6 trillion, over $6 trillion on a daily basis. That's insane, guys. This is why this type of monthly income, these types of profits, it's not uncommon. It's not oh, it'll never happen or it's too good to be true. It's highly possible. Highly possible. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, nothing like that, but I would definitely recommend to take a look into it and take a look into this program and do your own research, of course, think about it, and definitely join us. I'll leave my link in the description box below. Um, Check it out. There's also going to be a directions link as well. It should be like a Google link, but that will actually give you kind of like pictures and stuff if you need help, getting started or how to fund your account or how to add funds to the capital there. But we're gonna do one more before we get this video uploaded. There was another video I made too that I gotta upload, so we're gonna do that here in a bit. But hey, let's say that you've been trading for a while, or that let's say you're not a little guy. Let's say you're a big guy there, or whatever. Let's say you already got a good amount of capital. Let's say you're already a millionaire and you want your money to work for you some more. Say you want to make a few more million, right? This is the amazing thing, guys. Let's check it out. Let's see on a 2-year basis as well, just with that 50K investment. This is what's so cool about this thing. Definitely check it out, guys. I mean, you're gonna love it. You're gonna be, sitting here playing with it, contemplating, um, the things that you could do with that type of income. But look at this. Look at this. 373 million future investment value. 373 million. This is if you invest like 50K. 8,538% APY. But look at this. You invested 50K and in less than a year you'd basically make that investment back. Let's see, you'd make that investment back in about 3 months. Yeah, so literally in about 3 months you'd make that investment back and then some. And then 4 million. So by the end of the year, by next year, continuing to compound, or maybe even, I mean, I'd probably be withdrawing a little bit too, here and there. I'm not gonna lie, but look at that. I mean, 4 million, and say you keep letting it ride, man. Dang, this is crazy. Look at that. 2 years go by, and I have a feeling, guys, that this platform is gonna be around for a while. I mean, we're in the year 2022. The type of technology that's out there nowadays, the the artificial intelligence, just everything. I mean, this is the future, you know. And there's a lot of other things also that are going on with the economy. You know, inflation is on the rise. I mean, uh, there's so many different factors that go into play that that are changing the way people work and do business and live their lives, I guess you could say, right? But I mean, look at that. Look at these numbers. I mean, if you have, you know, higher capital, you could put in 100K. There's traders out there who, you know, start with 100, 250K capital, you know. There's hedge funds, banks that, you know, trade with few million dollars worth of capital, you know. I mean, and it's crazy, but look at this. But look at this. Like after 2 years, you would have earned, basically made in profit. Wait, is that profit or total earnings? Yeah, 373 million. You'd be a multi freaking millionaire, man. A multi millionaire. Look at that. Making 150 million, 115 million. I can't even say that. 115 million a month. That's like, how much is that every 2 weeks? A little over 50 million. Like, what would you do? Like, dang. You can change the world. You can change your life. You can change your family's life for generations to come, you know? I mean, yeah, it's just crazy. But yeah, I just wanted to leave y'all with that. Show you again the possibilities of the Intelligence Prime Capital platform. I'm gonna have to probably reset the router here in a bit or something because my internet's acting a little funny here. But yeah, you guys take care, and we'll be making some more videos here. I want to thank my team out there for all that they have already done. Like, you guys are really amazing. Oh yeah, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below as well for a Facebook group for a Forex freak. So yeah, definitely feel free to join. We can all help each other. Um, we can post on there, you know, your results. Yeah, just to get others to kind of join and uh, yeah, just, you know, have fun, you know. um, but yeah, y'all take care. Thanks for joining me here today, and we'll talk soon.